Get your next job done faster with a Marshalltown plate compactor. Our plate compactor compacts harder and faster than the competition, producing up to 25% more centrifugal force. It comes equipped with a Honda GX160 engine that provides plenty of power, along with an industry-grade belt drive system. The real key to success comes from the single-piece plate and exciter. The heavy-duty plate is durable and long-lasting, perfect for gravel, sand, aggregate, and a variety of granular fill materials. The foldable handles make it easy to unpack and go, but also offers excellent storage. Two lower handles make it easy to lift from higher spots or over construction forms. The throttle is located on the handle for added convenience. The Marshalltown plate compactor is made in the USA, comes with a 3-year warranty, and is available with an optional water tank. The Marshalltown plate compactor, the best way to get your next job done fast.